So I created this app, came up with its name, Edge Notes. It sits on the edge of your screen. You move your mouse over to it, it slides out, ready for action. You can type your notes, you can copy and paste. I envisaged, well, what I wanted out of it was to have a notepad that was on the side of the screen, ready for when I needed it. I could use it to collect notes, write notes in, copy and paste notes from various windows and apps that I was working on. It's a place to store information that I might need over a period of time, or also as a scratch pad. Just needed to write something down quickly. I might have been on the phone, quickly make a note and use that later and maybe then delete it. So it's a bit of a scratch pad, but I also find I keep notes there that I need regularly. Useful if you're filling out a form online, you can put data in there for that. But when I don't need it, I don't want it taking space up on the screen, move the mouse away, it slides away, but it's there, ready. You move your mouse back, it pops up again. You don't have to open another app. You don't have to, it doesn't disappear behind windows, different windows that you've got open. If you don't want it to, you can keep it in the foreground. You can also click a button and have it stay out if that's what you want. So it's quite versatile. It can be permanently there, it can slide away, it can sit on top of the windows that you might have open, other windows, other apps, or you can allow it to fall into the background, and then with the click of the app icon down on the bottom edge, you can click on that and it'll reappear at the front as well. So the aim was for it to be convenient, always available when you needed it, but out of the way when you didn't need it. So it was quite a challenge to create that, but I created it fairly quickly. I'm always impressed at how quickly you can get results with LiveCode. There are, of course, the little challenges, little behaviors that it ends up having that you didn't really plan for, and they can take a little time to resolve, and you have to get really under the covers of how LiveCode works and how coding works in general. But again, I find those little aspects enjoyable, and they are resolvable generally. And certainly with Edge Notes, I've resolved them now. It works great. I've been using that daily since I created it.